Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a file. So, first of all, what is a file? So, in a computer, a file is an object that stores all your data, information, and settings or commands. So, it can be in your text format like the text file or a video format like a video file. So, it can store your data, it can store all the text information. So, this is a computer file. Now this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So for creating a file, I will have to right click on the desktop, go to new, then click on the text document, and if I name it, I'm going to name it the video summary and hit enter. So now this text file is created. As I have not written anything inside it, this text file is now empty, but this text file is created. I can write anything I want in this text file, and then I can save it, and now this is the text file, and now it can store this text. Every time you close it and open it, it has the text. So this is how you create a text file. Now let's summarize. So in this video, we have covered how to create a text file in Windows. Thank you for watching.